ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೇನಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ generation of carbocation and carbanion, stability of carbocation and carbanion, and the reactions involving these carbocation and carbanions. Let us look about carbocation. So carbocation is a species in which positive charge is present on carbon. So it is also known as carbonium ion. It is generated during the heterolytic bond cleavage. If you consider the molecule tertiary butyl bromide, when carbon-bromine bond is broken heterolytically, bromine goes with two paired electrons and converts into bromide ion, and positive charge is present on carbon. So it becomes a tertiary butyl carbocation. Here, tertiary butyl bromide is a saturated compound and carbon is sp3 hybridized and shape is tetrahedral. When it converts into carbocation, it converts into trivalent and carbon is sp2 hybridized. The shape of sp2 hybridized carbon is trigonal planar with the bond angle 120 degree. It has one vacant p orbital, therefore it is electron deficient in nature. Now let us see the different type of carbocations and stability of carbocation. There are three types of carbocation based on the nature of carbon on which positive charge is present. So the carbon which contains minimum of 2 hydrogen atoms is called primary carbon atom. If positive charge is present on primary carbon atom, then the carbocation is called primary carbocation. This is also primary carbocation. Here there are 3 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon, and this is a primary carbocation where there are 2 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon. When only 1 hydrogen is attached to carbon, then it is a secondary carbon. When positive charge is present on secondary carbon, it is called secondary carbocation. Carbon without hydrogen is called tertiary carbon. Positive charge is present on tertiary carbon, then it is tertiary carbocation. So these are the 3 types of carbocations: primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation. When we look at about the stability of these carbocations, they differ in their stability. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation, which is more stable than primary carbocation, which is more stable than methyl carbocation. Both are primary, but here one substituent is present, here hydrogen. Therefore, least stable is methyl carbocation. Why there is a difference in stability? ಇವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಯಾಕಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಷನ್, ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯಾನ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ alkyl carbocation, then we can explain the stability of carbocation by hyperconjugation effect. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, there are 3 alkyl groups attached to carbon, so it is tertiary carbocation. ಇಲ್ಲಿ methyl group ಇದ್ರೆ the hydrogen atoms attached to this carbon, methyl carbon, so it can undergo, it shows hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation means no bond resonance. ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ CH ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋ ಬಾಂಡ್ ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್, CH3 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 9 hydrogen atoms are present on carbon atoms. Therefore, more number of hyperconjugated structures we can write. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ 2 ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್, ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ hyperconjugated structures we can write for secondary carbocation. When it comes to primary carbocation, it contains only 1 alkyl group. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದರ hyperconjugation ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು. Here no hyperconjugation is possible. Therefore, more the hyperconjugated structures, higher the stability. Hence, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation, which is more stable than primary carbocation, which is more stable than methyl carbocation. ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ CH2 ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH2 ವಿತ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯನ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, CH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನನ್ನು ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲೈಲಿಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. When positive charge is present in an allylic carbon, then it is called allylic cation. The stability of this allylic cation is explained by resonance. Aromatic or allylic cation mele, the stability of carbocation is explained in terms of resonance. In nodi, there are 2 resonance structures possible for this structure. So E double bond, it shift to this position and positive charge shift to this carbon. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಸೊ these are the 2 resonance structures possible. When you come to benzyl carbocation, C6H5 CH2 plus, benzyl carbocation ಇದರ CH2 plus ಇದ್ರೆ, now we can write resonance structure. You can see the different resonance structures. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ is shifted to this position and positive charge goes to this position. And by resonance, positive charge is delocalized. Therefore, carbocation, different carbocations are stable to different extent. So resonance and hyperconjugation is used to explain the stability. ಇವಾಗ another one, inductive effect. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ I will take, this is the example. In this carbocation, one substituent is electron donating group. ಯಾವುದು we have written 3 substituents. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ methyl alkyl group ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. alkyl group is also electron donating group. CH3 C2H ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ತಗೋಬೋದು. So it is also electron donating group. So when one electron donating group is present, it stabilizes the carbocation because it decreases the electron deficient nature of carbon. Positive charge means electron deficient. So here the electron donating group pushes the electron towards carbon and minimizes the positive charge or stabilizes the positive charge. Therefore, if all the three are electron donating groups, tertiary carbocation, if all the three are electron donating groups, so therefore it is highly stable. If there are two electron donating groups, so stability is more. If only one electron donating group, stability is. Therefore, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary. Secondary is more stable than primary. When electron donating group, ಅಲ್ಲಿ hyper conjugation ಹೇಳಿದೆ, tertiary ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೆ. This is methyl, methyl, methyl. Electron donating group, electron donating group, electron donating group. There are three electron donating groups. Therefore, tertiary carbocation is more stable. Here there are two electron donating groups. So, compared to tertiary, secondary is less stable. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ electron donating group. Therefore, primary carbocation is less stable than secondary. Here no electron donating group. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. Hence, methyl carbocation is least stable. The order of stability, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary. Secondary is more stable than primary. Primary is more stable than methyl carbocation when electron donating group is present. If electron withdrawing group is present on the carbon, electron withdrawing group destabilizes carbocation. ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡಿಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಪುಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, then electron deficiency still increases. Therefore, stability decreases. Electron withdrawing group decreases the stability of carbocation. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So, positive charge is present in this here, CH2 plus CH2 CO OCH3. This carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group. So, due to presence of electron withdrawing group, this carbocation, see here, illinda dhura ide. Positive charge it is present on the second carbon from carbonyl carbon. Idu carbonyl group, first carbon, second carbon. So, it is present on beta carbon, alpha, beta. So, here alpha carbon, beta carbon. Positive charge present on beta carbon, positive charge present on alpha carbon. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ದ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ is less in this case. So it is more stable, less stable. So by inductive effect, electron donating group stabilizes the carbocation, electron withdrawing group destabilizes the carbocation. Now let us see how these carbocations are generated. In what all the reactions carbocations are generated. For the first time in 1902, Norris and Kerman, they discovered the colorless triphenyl methanol gives a deep yellow solution in concentrated sulfuric acid, which is due to formation of triphenyl methyl carbocation. Triphenyl methyl carbocation. So it is a salt. Therefore, it is a deep yellow solution in concentrated sulfuric acid. So, due to heterolity bond cleavage, in the bond break agi OH minus C plus. So, carbocation barutte. This is the first carbocation discovered in the chemical field. In 1902, this is the first carbocation discovered. Again, if you take any alkyl halides, then heterolity bond cleavage takes place between carbon and halogen. Then we get carbocation. So primary alkyl halide gives primary carbocation, secondary alkyl halide gives secondary carbocation, and tertiary alkyl halide gives tertiary carbocation. Again, what type of alkyl halide we have used? So we get different carbocations. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tertiary alkyl halide ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, triphenyl methyl chloride. Therefore, we get triphenyl methyl cation. Tertiary carbocation ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So this is the one reaction where carbocation is generated. During the reaction of alkyl halide, carbocation is generated as an intermediate. Second reaction, if you consider the addition reaction of alkenes, then the intermediate generated is carbocation. For example, if you take addition of HCl or HBr to alkene, ಇಲ್ಲಿ propane ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ when you see the mechanism, HBr H plus Br minus ಆಗಿದೆ. Now this double bond, carbon-carbon double bond is electron rich. So the electron rich center, the electrons are moved from the double bond towards H plus ion, and the bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen, and positive charge is present on another carbon. If hydrogen goes to this carbon, positive charge goes to this carbon. Or if hydrogen goes to this carbon, positive charge goes to this carbon. In next slide, we show the different carbocation. Here, just I have written one isopropyl cation. So carbocation is generated during the addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction of alkenes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಒಂದು. So HBr is polar molecule, bromine is more electronegative than hydrogen. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the bond is broken heterolytically, we get H plus Br minus. So in carbon-carbon double bond, it is electron rich, so electrons are moved from carbon-carbon double bond towards hydrogen, and these electrons are pushed towards bromine. So therefore the bond is broken between hydrogen and bromine heterolytically. So ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯನ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್ and next the product is generated, that is secondary. So carbocation is generated during electrophilic addition reaction of alkene. Just I have taken one example. ಇಲ್ಲಿ propene ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. See double bond, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಇದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಹೋದರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಈ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಐಸೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ದೆನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ bromide ion is attached to this carbon, we get one bromopropane. So therefore we can get two types of carbocations there. So more stable carbocation is generated during the reaction, that is Markovnikov's rule. Okay, here we take electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compounds. During the electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic compounds, carbocation is generated. ಇಲ್ಲಿ double bond pi electrons move towards electrophile and positive charge present on the carbon. So we get the carbocation intermediate during electrophilic substitution reaction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ then in different, it acts as an electrophile and react with nucleophile because it is electron deficient. Positive charge is present on carbon, it is electron deficient. So it is an electrophile. Hence it readily reacts with the nucleophile to form the product. And some carbocations act as Bronsted acid and lose proton. For example, ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ rearrangement ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ double electrons move towards this and the positive charge is neutralized and hydrogen goes as H plus. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ CH3 CH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಸ್ H plus ion. As a proton it is eliminated. Therefore this carbocation is converted to alkene by losing proton. So therefore this is a Bronsted acid. Any compound which gives H plus ion is a Bronsted acid. ಇದು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯನು ಬೇರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲು ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಲ್ಕಿನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಆಲ್ಕಿನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಿಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, 1-2 shift of hydride or alkyl ion. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ CH3 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 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. Because here this is primary carbocation, this is tertiary carbocation. Since tertiary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation, hydrogen is shifted from this carbon to this carbon and positive charge shifted from this carbon to this carbon. So primary carbocation is shifted, converted into tertiary carbocation because to increase the stability. So these are the different. It can undergo rearrangement to increase its stability. Now second type of intermediate, carbanion. Carbanion is a species in which negative charge is present on carbon. So it is called carbanion. Since it is sp3 hybridized carbon, whereas in carbocation carbon is sp2 hybridized, whereas in carbanion it is sp3 hybridized, but lone pair of electrons present in one sp3 hybridized orbital. So due to presence of one pair of electron, lone pair of electrons, so the shape is pyramidal structure. Due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, tetrahedral structure is distorted and converted into pyramidal structure. So carbanion is pyramidal in shape, and it is a base and nucleus because electrons more. It is electron rich species, therefore it is a base and nucleophile. In what are the reactions you expect? Generation of carbanion. Whenever hydrogen is present on the carbon which is attached to carbon electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group again the carbon attached, then this is called alpha carbon. Hydrogen attached to alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen atom. Whenever alpha hydrogen is present, due to presence of electron withdrawing group, electron density on hydrogen is reduced, so it can be removed as H plus ion. H plus ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. Therefore carbanion is generated during this reaction whenever there is alpha hydrogen atom is present. In carbonyl compounds where alpha hydrogen is present, then carbanion is generated as a intermediate. Aldol condensation, Perkins reaction, Claisen condensation, Cole vinegar reaction, ಎಲ್ಲ reaction ಅಲ್ಲೂ when you write the mechanism of these reactions, so carbanion is generated as an intermediate. ಅಥವಾ decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid in the heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it undergoes decarboxylation. First it loses H plus and converts carboxylate ion. Then carboxylate ion loses carbon dioxide. ಈ electrons ಇಲ್ಲಿ shift ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಈ electrons go to R, this alkyl group or any group, then it converts into R minus and carbon dioxide is emitted as neutral molecule. So carbanion is generated when decarboxylation of carboxylic ion takes place. Nucleophilic addition reaction of alkenes. ಈ ಥರ ಯಾವುದೋ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲು carbon double bond or carbon oxygen, whatever it may, unsaturated molecule ಗೆ nucleophile attack ಆದರೆ during nucleophilic addition reaction of unsaturated compounds, then carbanion is generated. ಇಲ್ಲಿ alkenes ಅಲ್ಲಿ nucleophile ಈ ಥರ ಹೋದರೆ electrons ಇಲ್ಲಿ shift ಆಗುತ್ತೆ carbon ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ, so we get negative charge. So nucleophile has this carbon, negative charge goes to this carbon, so carbanion is generated. So during the nucleophilic addition reaction, carbanion is generated. During aldol condensation, I told hydrogen is removed by a OH minus and negative charge present on carbon. Negative charge is present on carbon. So carbanion is generated as an intermediate. Again, a Perkins reaction, Claisen condensation, coal vinegar reaction where active methylene compound is involved. In all these reactions, carbon ion is generated as an intermediate. When you come to stability of carbon ion, again there are three types of carbon ion: tertiary carbon ion, secondary carbon ion, primary carbon ion. The order is exactly reversed in case of carbon ion. Carbocation, tertiary is more stable than secondary, secondary is more stable primary, primary is more stable methyl carbocation. But here, when it comes to carbon ion, because negative charge is present on carbon, if electron donating group is present, it increases the electron density on the carbon. Already electrons are more on carbon. If this also donates electron towards carbon, then electron density still increases, therefore stability decreases. So in this case, tertiary carbon ion is less stable than secondary carbon ion, which is less stable than primary carbon ion, which is less stable than methyl carbon ion. So this is the least stable species and this is most stable species in case of carbon ion. And extension of conjugation also stabilizes carbon ion. Nodi, conjugation extension, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ double bond ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, negative charge is shifted to this carbon. So due to this resonance, so negative charge is stabilized. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And hybridization of the charge bearing carbon. What is the, here it is sp hybridized carbon. sp hybridized carbon. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is sp2 hybridized carbon and this is sp3 hybridized carbon. Avaga there is a change. So this is more stable than this, almost. This is aryl carbon ion. Again, this one and this one almost same, and this is more than primary. So this is the order. Okay, so this is the order in which it is. So sp hybridization nodadaglue, so as the s character decreases, stability decreases. Illi sp2, this is also sp2, this is sp3. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 33% ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25% ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಆಸ್ ದ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ. And aromatic character also gives, if the lone pair of electrons involved in delocalization of pi electrons, then it gives extra stability. If you consider this cyclopentadienyl anion, this ion is cyclopenta, there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cyclopentadienyl, 2 double bonds are the dienyl anion, cyclopentadienyl anion. Here this lone pair of electrons is involved in resonance with these 4 pi electrons, hence this anion is more stable. So whenever the lone pair of electrons are involved in delocalization, it increases the stability. So in different reactions, so displacement reaction, so if you react with another carbon ion, so it pushes the electrons move towards H and is removed as A minus, and the bond is formed between carbon and hydrogen. If any Lewis acid carbon ion, it behaves like a Lewis base and it reacts with Lewis acid. Athava, if it undergoes elimination reaction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಈ base is H plus ಅನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತು, then these electrons are moved towards this carbon and X is removed as X minus, we get RCH double bond CHR plus X minus. So elimination reaction takes place, alkene is the product. Athava condensation reaction, aldol condensation, Perkins condensation, Claisen condensation, ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ I told, so this is alpha carbon, this is a carbonyl carbon, so this carbon is alpha carbon, hydrogen is attached to alpha carbon, so alpha hydrogen, so therefore carbon ion is generated. So it undergoes reaction, condensation reaction. Aldol is the product in aldol condensation. So in different reactions, carbene ion is generated during the reaction. These are the different reference books you can refer. Thank you very much for listening to me.